The crosstab study is used for the analysis of attribute type measurement systems. Attribute type measurements come from gauges that classify the parts as acceptable or not acceptable. The crosstab study establishes the extent to which the appraisers agree with each other. It also establishes the extent to which the appraiser agrees with the reference decision. The crosstab study is typically done with 25 to 50 parts. Select the parts in such a way that they span across the tolerance zone. Some out-of-specification parts should also be selected. These help establish the capability of the gauge of correctly rejecting non-conforming parts. We need to have the parts gauged by several appraisers who participate in the study. 2 or 3 trials should be taken for each appraiser for a part. We must randomize the measurement sequence well to keep appraiser biases out of the study. Tabulate the observed results in the crosstab worksheet of ProMSA. Accepts are tabulated as ones and rejects are tabulated as zeros. Analysis of data is done by calculating the kappa parameter. The kappa parameter is a fraction between 0 and 1. A high value of kappa indicates a good agreement. The AIAG MSA manual specifies a kappa value of higher than 0.75 as a good indicator of agreement, and a value of smaller than 0.4 as a poor agreement. ProMSA evaluates effectiveness of the measurement system in the hands of each appraiser and also the miss rate and the false alarm rates. Acceptance based on the recommendation given by the manual is highlighted using a traffic signal analogy. The crosstab study is an indicator of Interrater agreement. It also indicates how effective the gauge is in the hands of each appraiser. The results of crosstab study highlight the need for training of appraisers where the agreement is low. A generally low agreement across appraisers may call for robustizing the gauge application so as to minimize the appraiser influence in gauging.